Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add image inside of text easily in Canva using the FontFrame app. So if you want to add image inside of a text, you don't need to do it manually. You can just use these apps on Canva. So first you can just go to the app menu here on the left panel and find for the phone frame app. So just type in phone frame and click on enter and click on this app. So in here you can vibrant text with image background, so you can just add an image background to your text by uploading an image or selecting in an image from your design. So here you can just click on open and the app will be open here on the left panel. Okay, so here you can just choose the file, the image. So I'm going to just click on choose file and find the image. For example, I'm going to add this image right here. Click on open, and after that you can just scroll down. Here you can adjust the image scale. I'm going to just go with 1, and after that you can also change the text that you want to show. For example, I'm going to just type in cute cats, for example, and click on add to design and wait for it. Just you can see now it has been generated, and this will be the result. So the image will be automatically on the text, fill in on the text, just like that. And that's it. You can just close the app. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.